Round 4. This is the JUPE true or false round. At stake in the round is the JUPE money transfer $20 promo. During this National Science and Math quiz season, whenever alumni abroad send money to Ghana using their school's exclusive promo code, JUPE rewards the school with $20 for developmental projects in the school. For this particular contest, Tamale Senior High School's promo code is TAMASCO. Koforidua Senior High Technical Schools is KSTS. And Keta Senior High Technical Schools is KETASCO. The true or false round is proudly sponsored by JUPE Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via JUPE. Contestants, in this round, I'm going to be providing you with statements. When you receive a statement, please consider the statement very carefully and let me know whether it's true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case that statement is available to the 2 remaining schools to ring. A school rings and answers correctly, they get 2 full points. If it's incorrect, there's that penalty, 1 point. Every once in a while, we have statements that will require 30 seconds of your time. When we have such occasions, I will let you know. Otherwise, they are all 10 seconds. All right, let's begin. And once again, I'm starting with you, Koforidua Senior High Technical School. Starch is a polysaccharide made up of only glucose units linked primarily by alpha and beta glycosidic bonds and is used by plants as an energy storage molecule. Yes, Raphael?
False.
You're right. Keta, cellulose is a polysaccharide composed of glucose units linked by alpha-1 glycosidic bonds and provides structural support in plant cell walls. Perpetual.
It's false.
Yes. Tamale, glycogen is a polysaccharide composed of glucose units linked by alpha-1 glycosidic bonds and alpha-1,6 glycosidic bonds, and is the storage form of glucose in animals. Ahmed.
True.
Yes. Next set, preamble to all schools. Preamble. Indicate whether the following statements are true or false about the parts of an egg. I hope you got that. Again, indicate whether the following statements are true or false about the parts of an egg. All right. The allantois stores nitrogenous waste and facilitates respiration. Raphael.
False.
It's a true statement, unfortunately. The chorion facilitates gaseous exchange. Yes, Frederick?
It's true.
Yes. The amniotic cavity is filled with albumin. Ahmed?
False.
Yes. Next set comes with a preamble to all schools. The given expression is an exact cube. That's the preamble. Koforidua, a cubed plus 6a squared plus 12a plus 8. Yes, Raphael?
True.
Yes. 8a cubed minus 12a squared plus 12a minus 1. Frederick?
True. It's true.
No, that's a false statement. (27a cubed plus 27a squared plus 9a plus 1. Ahmed?
False.
No. It's a true statement. Preamble to all schools. Fluid flows at constant rate through a horizontal tube of length 20 centimeters and radius 1 millimeter. That's the preamble. One more time. Fluid flows at constant rate through a horizontal tube of length 20 centimeters and radius 1 millimeter. Koforidua, because the tube is horizontal, fluid pressure is the same at any point along its length. Raphael?
True.
No, it's a false statement. The fluid flow rate is proportional to the pressure difference between its ends. Frederick?
It's true.
Yes. If the radius of the tube is doubled while keeping everything else the same, the flow rate doubles. Ahmed?
False.
Yes. For an element in its standard state, the enthalpy of combustion is 0. Raphael?
False.
Yes. The enthalpy of combustion is always negative for all stable compounds if they react with oxygen. Frederick?
It's true.
Yes. The standard enthalpy of combustion of a compound is independent of the mass of substance burned, but depends on the structure of the compound. Ahmed?
False.
No. That's a true statement. Chargaff's rules state that within the DNA of any given species, the concentration of adenine is always the same as the concentration of thymine, and the concentration of guanine is always the same as the concentration of cytosine. Raphael?
True.
Yes. Bonds between nitrogen bases hold together the two polynucleotide chains of DNA.
It's true.
Yes. Adenine and guanine have a one-ring structure, whereas cytosine and thymine have a two-ring structure. Ahmed?
True.
No, it's a false statement. For the next set, I have a preamble to all schools. Preamble. A cubic polynomial function f of x has, again, a cubic polynomial function f of x has a maximum value and a minimum value? Raphael?
True.
No, it's a false statement. With the same preamble, a maximum value. Frederick?
False.
Yes. A point of inflection. Ahmed?
False. False.
No, it's a true statement. Last set of statements. Please pay careful attention to this set. Kofordia, the principle of linear superposition only applies to electromagnetic phenomena. Raphael?
False.
You're right. Keta, if two small amplitude waves traveling on a string encounter each other, the displacement at a point on the string is accurately given by the linear superposition principle as the sum of the displacements of the individual waves at the point.
It's
Frederick?
True. True.
You are right. Tamale, last statement. The principle of linear superposition does not apply to the disturbance produced when two large amplitude waves traveling on a non-linear string encounter each other. Yes, Ahmed?
True.
You're right. Now clap for them. They understand the principle of linear superposition. And that's the end of the fourth round.